Good morning, Boston Whaler fans. This is Lance Finucci here at MarineMax, Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we have the 230 Outrage that we're going to take a look at. It's 23 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, 110-gallon fuel capacity, and it's powered by a Mercury 300 Verado engine. What we're going to do is climb on board, take a look at some of the great features of this boat, and I'll tell you a bit more. Boston Whaler has always been famous for its notoriety in making exceptional fishing boats, and this Outrage 230 is no exception. From the 14 stainless steel rod holders mounted throughout the boat to the generous live wells and fish boxes that are located on both sides of the transom floor behind the helm seat and all the way up front. Up front, there's plenty of room for moving about and casting from just about any surface on the boat. If you wanted a little more comfortable ride, all you have to do is insert all the cushions that come standard with this Outrage 230. And right now, we're just keeping conveniently in the head to keep them safe from the weather. The helm is designed exactly the way you would expect it to be with the Boston Whaler. Flawless. From the stainless steel steering wheel to the electronically controlled trim tabs, electronically controlled throttle, and the perfect amount of space for all the electronics that you want to add for your fishing expeditions. The helm seat itself is also well apportioned, fully cushioned, and has bolsters on both sides. There's also another little feature about this that I'd like to show you real quick. The back of the helm seat actually reclines all the way to make a perfect chair for sitting looking out the back of the boat and watching your lines. No matter which way you look at this boat, you know it's Boston Whaler through and through. From the foam-filled hull to the unsinkable characteristics. It is the legend that has become Boston Whaler. I'm Lance Finucci. This is MarineMax Gulf Shores. Stop by and take a look at this boat.